The question is find dy over dx by implicit differentiation. Here we have this equation, x to 7 power plus y to 8 power equals 80. So again, remember that dy over dx, the thing that we need to find is y prime. So in the step number 1, I'm going to differentiate both sides, and that is going to give me the differentiation of x to the 7 plus y to the 8 equal the differentiation of 80, and then the differentiation of x to the 7 is 7x to the 6 plus the differentiation of y to the 8 that is following the chain rule is going to be y prime times 8 times y, 8 to the minus 1, and then the right side, the differentiation or the derivative of a constant is 0, and that is the differentiation process at this point. Then we need to simplify just to make easier the last step. So then here I'm going to get 7x to the 6 plus 8 y to 7 y prime equals 0, and then here I'm going to solve for y prime. So the first thing that I'm going to do is that 7x to the 6 ends on the other side, y to 7 times y prime equals minus 7x to the 6. And then in another video I show a procedure. Here I'm going to change a little bit that. And remember that we need to find an expression for y prime. So I'm going to divide both sides by this factor. I'm dividing this by this factor, and I'm dividing this by this factor. So I can simplify this, and I'm going to get only y prime. So y prime is gonna be minus 7x to the 6 divided by 8 y to 7. This is the answer with this notation, and using the other notation is dy divided by dx equals minus 7x to the 6 divided by 8 y to 7, and this is the answer for this question.